Hi, I'm Donna from PTM Corporation. I'm a co-owner, a president, and a CEO, and we make magic with metal right here. Anyways, wanted to let you know, we do prototypes. We work with future mobility with all of the OEMs, General Motors, Ford, FCA, Toyota, Honda, Subaru. Very exciting stuff. We make magic with metal, and it all starts with all those cool concept cars and vehicles that aren't even on the road right now. Then you can go over to our production facility, and we ship 2.5 million pieces out the door every week that go all over the world. We also produce tooling and fixtures to make sure those parts are right. We got a lot of exciting things today that we're going to show you about. Remember, it's all about manufacturing, and we do magic with metal. Come on in today and enjoy Manufacturing Day.
I love working at PTM because of the people, mainly. I love talking to people, being able to learn more about my own job, more about other people's job, and everybody here is making that extremely easy for me.
You could go to school and get a 4-year degree in one of a number of things. It could be management, it could be accounting, it could be human resources, it could be engineering. Although that is not generally required to have a career in manufacturing.
So I graduated high school and I went to a 2-year college. My intent was to transfer to a 4-year degree, a full bachelor's degree in engineering, and I found that with the skills that I obtained after only going to college for 2 years, I could get right into the field and make a competitive wage without the extensive schooling.
There's a lot of different areas that don't require a 4-year degree. There are 2-year degrees, certificates in quality, in engineering, in design, in manufacturing as a whole. A lot of programs right now are offering programs in advanced manufacturing techniques that could be an associate's degree, where you're studying quality and safety and general areas of manufacturing. We have a lot of certificate programs available. Certificate programs in welding, certificate programs in areas of robotic technician. There's areas all across this organization that again do not require a general 4-year or even 2-year degree.
I'm a ferro-arm inspector. I acquired my ferro-arm skills through Hexagon training. I've been doing this for about 3 years. One reason why I like working here is teamwork. There's nobody that's shy to give a hand, whatever task that may be, small or big.
We have skilled trades areas where companies like us will hire people and put them in apprenticeship programs. Those apprenticeship programs could be 2 years or 4 years. And in that, you will learn to do the job while you're getting paid.
I'm Matthew Herber. I'm doing fixture design here at PTM. I'm a senior at Port Huron High School. I started out learning engineering from actually FRC. I started in middle school. It was about 5 or 6 years ago when I started that. And it's kind of been learn as I go situation. Whatever I can pick up, I've added to my list of skills that I can do.
I started out as just being a helper in the press room. I started out in the trade about 15 years ago, and I worked my way up within this company. And that's another great thing about this company is they hire within, they promote within.
There is career opportunity here. A lot of times manufacturing is it comes off as deceiving. You think dark, dingy, but that's not the case. We are huge when it comes to safety, huge when it comes to technology. As long as you're willing to come in, work hard, put in your time, and you're willing to learn, you'll find a path in manufacturing.
I think it's really beneficial. It's a great start on a career. It'll really set your future bright. And it's real good on cutting edge technology.
I work in the prototype department and I receive all the customer purchase orders and kick off all the orders. Manufacturing is just not to work out in the shop. There's plenty of office positions to work in manufacturing.
I was in the mindset that as soon as you finish high school, you immediately go to college, you get a degree, and you just continue that pathway. So I went to college. I went to Oakland University, I got a teaching degree, and then I came here. And I wish I had come to this before I did my college journey, because there's a lot of room for growth and advancement, and I'm constantly learning, and I love it, and I would have never thought of a career in manufacturing before I came across it.
So there's tremendous opportunities in manufacturing. I love manufacturing. I couldn't imagine myself in anything else. So if you have a heart of working hard, you have a good attitude, you have the ability to learn, manufacturing definitely could be for you.